three kinds of butterfly hangers available from Hashimoto Corporation. All of them are made of quality 304 stainless steel. This is the smaller one. As you see, this is a small rubber grommet. 2 holes for being through of 7mm fiber cables. And this small butterfly is used to fasten and fix it. That's it. This is another kind of butterfly hanger used for 1/2 inch, super flexible and standard corrugated coaxial cables. This is the 7/8 inch cable. And this is another kind of butterfly hangers, also made of 304 stainless steel, used for 1/2 inch coax corrugated cables. This is a big hanger. Okay, thank you.